Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. This is like the second attempt of me swatching this video. So on the first try it was a corrupt file, I think. So we're going to get into it now. Now this was a Christmas present of my friend over at Beauty Dreams by Naomi. I'd love for you to go and check her out if you're not already doing so. I think people that have been following me for a while will be following Naomi as well. We do very similar content. Her channel is absolutely amazing. Every time she does a haul I'm always going ooh ah. A lot of Naomi's products are high end. She does have quite a bit of colour pop as well, like myself. So yeah, we're just gonna get into this video. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about her before I did the swatches. So let's do some close-up swatches. I don't know what's happening here, but can you see this here? I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but it's I'll take a picture of it and I'll insert it. If you've got this palette, let me know if yours has done it, but it's got like a grease stain around it and I don't know why. It's only that one shadow, and it is a beautiful shade. It's like a duochrome, but I've never actually noticed that with a palette of mine before until this one, which is a real shame. I'm hoping it doesn't affect the quality of the eyeshadows as it gets older. So that's that one. I'm not going to pronounce the names, guys, because I tried in the first video to pronounce it and I just couldn't. I butchered the names. So I'll just show you the shades and then we'll as I'm editing the video I'll put the shade names in, because Glam Shop are a Polish brand. So I've actually just placed an order for some Glam Shop singles as well, so they should be coming soon. And this palette was why I did it, because it is such a beautiful palette. Then we've got this one, absolutely gorgeous. That's that one. Then we've got a matte. The matte's called Florina. If I can pronounce some of these names I will. Right, this one is my favourite shade and I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to, but look at that, guys. It's worth getting a backup just for that shade, and that one, I really like that one as well. I like them all, but they're my two favourites. Then we've got that one's pretty as well. This one would give you a really nice smoky eye. Then this one's weird, it's like a satin. I thought it was matte at first, but no, it's definitely more of a satin. It's not a shimmer, I would say it's a satin. Can you see how it's not as pigmented as the others? I'm going to build it up so you can see it. Right, so that's 3 swatches there. And then we've got this beautiful, it's like a yellow neon green. It's absolutely beautiful. It would make a really nice inner corner highlight to make it pop. Like you put it in the inner corner and then drag it out onto the lash line partially. That would just be absolutely beautiful. I might try that in one of the looks. Then we've got like, yeah, it's kind of like a khaki brown shade. No, it's just swatching brown, so ignore that. It looked like a khaki, do you know, like green brown in the pan. And then this one is a blue green, even though it looks black. You can see it there, it's a blue green. So they're all the swatches. I definitely want to get that yellow citrine palette. so I'll get that in a few months, but this is just absolutely beautiful. I'm just hoping that I don't get customs on the little bit of order that I bought from Glam Shop. So yeah, this is the palette, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Now, because I've been wanting this one to go up for a few days now, I might try putting this one up today. So yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful. There, the swatches, that's the palette. Let me know, guys, if you've got this in your collection or if you're going to pick it up. Let me know your thoughts on it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.